My name is Scott Goldsmith. I'm an orthopedic surgeon practicing at multiple BayCare facilities around the Tampa Bay area. When I came to the Tampa area in 2008, I was fortunate to start out in Plant City and South Florida Baptist Hospital. I committed to the hospital and the hospital committed back to me. And we have grown so much over the nearly 8 years since I've been there. There is now a dedicated orthopedic floor, which are all private rooms just for orthopedic patients and their families. There is a pre-operative total joint program where the patient can come and learn about the robot, about the surgery, about the expectations of the in-hospital experience. There is a tremendous support network between the therapists, the social workers, and the nurses at the hospital who are all intimately involved in this total joint replacement program. We do total joint replacements every week there, and so there's a set pattern of how things get done. And this ensures that the end product is fantastic. I think South Florida Baptist Hospital is truly a diamond in the rough. I think there was a time not that long ago where it was felt it was a hospital in the middle of nowhere, and it is now a booming hospital that's doing several hundred total joint replacements a year with excellent results. I think it's only going to get busier, and I think the support of BayCare, and specifically the staff at South Florida Baptist, is excited about the future, and this is clear in their commitment to robotic-assisted total joint replacement surgery.